Ngiyabingelela ababukela emakhaya okhulumayo uThobile Pamela abambiza ngo-TPN Khumalo the Jacko with the capital letter J. Nyaze ngumamtungu umbulazi umzelekazi kaMashobana wadla umuntu eminyaka ngendaba anginyeke ngoba ngizobe senting necappuccino. Sihlangeneke lana ke siwumzweleni media sihamba nje sicushalaza singena naseyintabeni zakhona eNanda sisuka la manibuka nje sila ngemuva sikhona lana kuyona iholo noma ngingasho ngithi ilibrary la elinomlando esisohlange eJohn langalibalele Dube. Hey bafethu yazi ukuthi Nanda imnandi ngoba inazo zonke inayo yonke imlando inayo yonke izinto ezimnandi abanye baye besike kumnandi Nanda. So ke besihlangene namhlanje usukuna namhlanje sihlangene nabo ke okhansela uMfeka khona lapha yana endaweni yakhona lapha yana eNanda Newtown A lapho kuhlukana khona iNanda Newtown B Nanda Newtown A no G triangle la kwaba khona nokulimala noma nokukhahlazeka kwama bridge kukhona ibridge eladilika lapho eduze kwerank. So ke namhlanje besihanjelwe wona umkhandlu sihanjelwe yena uThekwini municipality sikwafika naye ke futhi naye uMeya ufikele yena qasasa ngenxa ke umsindo ke babukeli bami emakhaya asizukwazi ukuthi silethe umsindo noma silethe ingxoxo esixoxile nabo ngoba asifuni ukuthi usale lapho uconfusekile noma ungazi ukuthi bekhulunywa ngani. So ke engakuthatha nje noma ngingene noma ngingasho nje uyena ukhansela uMfeka ke waqinisekisa ukuthi kube impumelelo enhle ukuthi kuhlanganwe ngalendlela bekuhlangenwe ngayo uthi bekunokubumbisana phakathi kukakhansela nomphakathi uze wawuncoma wangenelela ekuthenini awuncoma umphakathi waseNanda Newtown A wathi nje ngendlela ebubumbene ngayo nangendlela bebebambene ngayo besebenzana nomholi obobusebenza nayo ukhansela besebenzana nomholi obobusebenza nayo inkampani ebekade zisebenza noma ngingasho ngithi bonke ama organization angade ekhona lapha yana so kube khona ukubambisana wabesencoma wancoma even nangendlela indlela okuhambe ngayo nesikhathi ekusheshe ngakho bengakalinde ukuthi ngase kube ukuthi ilesi sikhathi isiphelele ya project ngenxa yokuthi imvula ezalimaza noma ikhukhula ezalimaza zathatha yonke into zayibeka eceleni ukhansela uke waqinisekisa ukuthi amalunga omphakathi emakhaya awazi ukuthi njengoba bekade behlangene bekwazile ukuthi babaphe umsebenzi noma bakwazile ukuthi balethe iplate babeke iplate abantu abahlwempu abantu abadingayo noma kubantu abangasebenzi especially more iyouth ike yathola isitholela amathuba omsebenzi wakubeka kwaqinisekisa ukuthi usangaphinde futhi kwenzeke kodwa abantu ababeka ama CV ngoba yonke into ayihambi ngetiye ukhansela ubeke kwacaca ukuthi yonke into ihlala etafuleni kuhanjwe kuyesigungwini kufike kuthathwa ama CV abantu. So ke kusazohanjwa kuyolungiswa even Nanda Newtown A clinic ngoba nayo yagcina ilimene. So ke lo amazwi abevela kuyena ukhansela sike safinyelela lapha ke isikhathini sikaMeya uma esekhuluma naye uMeya nayo ke wakubeka ngokusobala ukuthi wow what a wonderful and beautiful job that was done eNanda wathi nje uyayithanda iNanda Nkosi yami Nanda angazi ukuthi ukuphila ukhona ngoba uMeya wethe kufike nje wancoma wathi mina ngubaba waleli khaya leli Nanda noma ngubaba wethe ngifike ngajabula ngibona ukubambisana kukakhansela uze wakubeka ngokusobala ukuthi yena into emenza ukuthi aze anyakaze ubone ukhansela uMfeka eloke yongqonqoze eminyango wakhe ethi abantu bayakhala eloke yongqonqoze eminyango wakhe uMeya uthi uMeya ngayibona le ndoda ukuthi no le ndoda serious ngomphakathi wayo angibuye ngizosebenza kanye nayo ngokukhuluma kwakhe uMeya uthi kube nokubambisana okuhle futhi naye ngiyathanda ngoba wonke umuntu uncoma ukubambisana uthi noma bekukhona lokho kokuthi nje kodwa ukubambisana bekumnandi ngendlela emangalisayo uthi ufikile uMeya nethimba lakhe wafika namalungu omphakathi kwaboniswana kwahlangana kwamunye kwaba imbumbe kodwa into engiyithanda kakhulu kunako konke uthi ujabulile ngokuthi iproject ihambe isikhathi esingaka yasheshe yaphumelela noma yasheshe yaphela ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukuthi bakhululeke ngoba kuye kwakhala kakhulu kwakhala ngendaba yokuthi imoto beyingasahambi osomatekisi bebekhala umnotho ubusushayekile eNanda. So manje ngendlela bekwenzeka ngayo ama-taxi bese kufanele ahambe ngenye indlela athathe iroute end. So ke ngingasho ngithi nje ngokwamazwi akhe ukhansela nongakamazwi akhe uMeya bake bachaza basho ukuthi kuba bonke abantu abafundayo umatric babeka lamazwi kubona bathi wonke umuntu uyihambela indlela yakhe futhi wonke umuntu ikusasa lingelakhe wonke umuntu umsebenzi awenzayo uzenzela yena ikusasa elakho umsebenzi wakhe wayebese bebeka ngokusobala ukuthi impumelelo enhle futhi nibhale kahle futhi bathi yonke into enyenzayo nazi ukuthi nisenhlizweni zabo. Right. Asike sizowena laba abanye kade bekhona siloke sibacaphuna nje nga1 ngoba siyazi ukuthi akekho nani wedwa kufanele asale. So we do have ubaba uMakhasi here, and can you just greet the listeners or the viewers and introduce yourself to them?
This is new and strange for me, so hello everybody. I'm Marcus Sadai, managing director of Tamba Projects, non-executive director. Yes.
Okay, why are we gathered here?
All right, today's event, I call it an event, was to open the road of Ukupuka Bridge, that is the corner of King Begizulu Drive. Yeah, it was quite a, I'd say it's quite an auspicious event because the road has been closed now for more than 8 months, and prior to that, during the 2022 floods, the road basically washed away. Water came, the current capacity of the bridge could not handle the water that came in with the floods. Yeah.
What was the vision and the mission for that? For what drove you to build that bridge?
Number one, we were appointed by waseThekwini municipality. We were mandated to build a bridge. Contractually, we had to perform. Yeah. Number two, look, I've been doing this for some time, right? If your ward and your people that you interact with don't help you along the way, you don't want to do it. But in Ward 55, and I paid some tribute to the councillor as well. It was a pleasure working.
Wow.
It was quite a pleasure. The people were pleasant. The CPG was pleasant. These things where they call the construction mafia and those things, we didn't have trouble with those things. You know, I think we handled it well as a team. End of the day, the job was a success, not because of me alone. I mean, me, myself, and I can't do much. But if it's me and my team, along with the municipal engineers, them as a team, collectively, we achieve something together, not alone.
So we can say it's a job well done.
I would like to think that, but we'll wait for somebody else to say it.
Okay. Baba Marcus, we have students who are starting writing the exams on Monday. Matriculants are writing the exams. What do you have for them? What a message for them? Because we've been like collecting those messages because we want to encourage them to reach where you are.
See, as being young at one stage, right, and going to school and understanding that I don't want to learn, I don't want to do this, it affects you later on. You may think school is not important now, but later on you're going to need that little bit of a head knowledge, a little bit of that results on your matric paper that says you passed. You know, it's a basic requirement. It's like having a driver's license. You can't drive without a license. I mean, to go to work these days, you can't go to work without a matric certificate. I've been actively involved with young people since a young age as well, through the church that I come from. And one of the things that I'll say is a young person must see the future for themselves. They don't understand it, but they must have vision for themselves. Me as a young man, I had a little bit of vision for myself, a goal. I set a goal. I want to be somebody by this age. So if I could encourage anything, set a goal for yourself, and then you will drive yourself to work towards it. Take yourself seriously, I say.
Amen. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Baba. Marcus, I think as the time goes on, we'll still be like doing the interviews with you because there's a lot of work and there's a lot of job that we're doing. And thank you very much for the inputs, and thank you very much for giving the people of Nanda, Newtown, opportunities. A lot of youngsters had an opportunity to work.
Yes.
That's what we had. So thank you very much. We're just gonna contact you again, and then we'll see you once again.
All right, thank
you. Kade sinaye sihlangene lana sibona ku bye kwenziwa yonke into ongasuyicabangela. Sithando sami ngicela ukuthi ungababingelela mangisi sithando sami sithando sami bese ngithi yebo sithando njani. Bingelela ababukela emakhaya bese uyazisho ukuthi ubani wabani ithini isihlalo sakho kule projects kade khona.
Ngusithanda wakachonco. Ngiyaxolisa ngifake i-organization party ngokwe-organization ngu-coordinator ngiphinde ngibu-VD coordinator ngiphinde ngibu-scrapper we-VD. i-VD indawo ehlala kuyona. So ngokwe-project bekade ngiyi-CLO yakhona. So isihlalo sami besikanjalo bekuyimina kade ngiqaphile isite ngixhumanisa abasebenzi nomphakathi nabaqashi.
Njengomuntu oyouth nje ngisho uthini mhlawumbe ngokwe project because the project sizula ukuthi khona abantu ade bethola nanemsebenzi into kanjalo mhlawumbe on behalf of lokho nje iyouth yaseNanda eNanda Newtown A emablocksini ubungathini nje mhlawumbe ubonge even nakuyona oma projects balaba bade befikile bezokwenza imisebenzi.
First of all ngizoqale ngibonge municipality kwahamba futhi bese kungazothi sabangani. Inkinga yami angisho ukuthi bekumnandi like ukuthi besingaphikisana bekuba khona lawo ma challenges but simple challenges because angikaze yes it's like sibang stick with bengazi singize sithi sifonela ukhansela because besingeke isidingo bekuyinto esixoxayo nje ilungiseke baba phatha ba right mina ngokwami ukubafisela ngibafisele ngathi bangalithola i-chance endaweni eziningi not la eward 55 kuphela ba experience nakwamanye amaward bethole futhi leli thuba lela balitholile leli kuthina because kuthina ithumba project angazi mina ingisebenzela mina ngi single mother of 4 and kulo 6 to 7 months kuningi engikwenzile
yo
ngiyouth futhi ade ngiage nje iyouth eningi ngifayile emsebenzini thina ke ngokwepolitiki akugainanga thina baka A nabaka B kuphela but ngokwewadi uyikhansela lethu like lithi fanele kukhishwe wonke indawo njoba iVD ilo amaVD awu8 amaVD akha iward so ukuthi kusetshenzelwa ngalapho ngasekhaya it doesn't mean ukuthi kuzoqashwa thina sodwa fanele kuthathwa kuwo wonke amalokhuzana amaVD but u70% bese uba ngala kukhona umsebenzi and uthi uma project sathi sifika sawuchazela ngesystem yethu bathi asenze ngendlela yethu as long as kuzothola wonke umuntu ngendlela
okusho ukuthi ungasho ukuthi benibambisene kahle
sibambisene kahle and angifuna uqamba amanga noma singeke size sibanike bonke abantu but iminingi imndeni ebongayo and futhi intsha kakhulukazi and besifisa ukuthi amathuba kanje kamasipala bawachithe okunye ke engakusho engazuthi lokhu kwepolitiki uma ngabe kuyikhansela lapho let's say mhlambe elenye inhlangano kungasasiyona le yami ngicela ukuthi abantu bebenika amathuba banganiki leyo nhlangano esuka ibusa lapho but badedeleke ukuze kuzokwazi ukuthi kubonakala ukuthi like lento yakamasipala although ukuthi mhlambe ipolitiki la yawina but uma uwine kwipolitiki uwazi ukuthi uwinele wonke umphakathi phela wena kube iningi elidlulela babanye.
Okay Sithanda ungasho nje ukuthi it's a job well done.
Hayi kakhulu angifuna uqamba amanga kakhulu angazi mhlawumbe ngelinye ilanga ngophinde ngilithola ithuba elinje angazi kephi kodwa futhi ngiyafisa ukuthi nabanye oCLO bafunda ukuthi emphakathini awulwisi iproject because iproject ilethe intuthuko wena control isimo.
True siyabonga kakhulu Sithandwa lona wakamtshali ukhona lapha yana endaweni yaseNanda Newtown B emablocksini lapho bebehlangene khona bakhi bridge khona la kwabhidlika khona noma la kwalibala khona sibonge kakhulu Sithandwa Chonco uchonco baba wakho ukwi CPF
yebo ubaba
basebenzela umphakathi usihlalo ku CPF siyabonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu ngisasa akakubusisi
ngiyasithatha isibusisi
amen umzweli media ke lona siyazi ke bafowethu ukuthi ungena uyaguduza ufinyelela la ungafinyelela ungakazi uzufinyelele khona ulandela zonke izinto zifike zibe sobala phambi kwakho uhambule noma uveze lokhu okufihlakele nalokhu ongakaze kwaze kwabonakala thina siyagijima sifana njengenyoni esibiza ngokuthi ukhozi igama layo sifinyelela la ukhona ungakwazi ukuthi usubscribe khona lana uthi nje Mzolweni Media ungene nje uthi like mase uphinda futhi lapho uthi nje subscribe so that noma ngabe kuthiwa ikuphi la sikhona ngoba akukho la singafinyeleli khona nala ukhona sofika mawusibiza. Thank you.